Tired of lackluster sound from your DIY speakers? Imagine transforming your setup into an audio powerhouse effortlessly. Get ready to unleash incredible sound with the TDA7498E Bluetooth Amplifier Board, the ultimate brain for your custom audio projects. This isn't just an amplifier. It's the heart of your next immersive sound system, promising crystal-clear highs, rich mids, and earth-shaking bass. One of the standout features that immediately impressed me is its incredible 3-in-1 multifunction input. Forget juggling multiple devices or messy cables. This board integrates AUX, Bluetooth, and USB input methods, giving you unparalleled flexibility. Want to stream wirelessly from your phone? Bluetooth's ready. Got a classic CD player or turntable? AUX has you covered. And for direct digital playback, USB is there. What's truly convenient is the intuitive dial button, allowing you to seamlessly switch between input modes and even control your music tracks with a simple twist and press. This level of versatility ensures you're always connected and always in control of your audio experience, no matter your source. But what's an amplifier without serious power? This TDA7498E board delivers an absolutely powerful sound field experience that will blow you away. Built around the robust TDA7498E power amplifier chip, it supports a true 2.1 channel configuration, 160 watts for each of your left and right channels, and a thunderous 220 watts dedicated to your subwoofer. That's enough raw power to fill any room with rich, dynamic sound, creating an immersive audio experience that makes movies more cinematic and music more vibrant. Plus, with dedicated treble and bass controls, you can fine-tune the output to perfectly match your speakers and your listening preferences, ensuring every note is just right. Now, let's talk about peace of mind. Investing in DIY audio means you want your components to last and, crucially, protect your speakers. The TDA7498E comes with a perfect protection mechanism built right in. This isn't just basic safeguarding. We're talking comprehensive anti-reverse polarity, undervoltage, overheating, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. Think of it as an invisible shield around your entire audio system. These smart features mean you can experiment, connect, and enjoy your music with absolute confidence, knowing your amplifier board and your valuable speakers are safe from accidental damage. It's robust engineering designed for longevity and reliability. This board is also incredibly adaptable, ready to power a wide range of speakers from 30 to 200 watts, and compatible with both 4 and 8 ohm setups. Whether you're upgrading existing speakers or building something entirely new, this board is your go-to. If you're serious about DIY audio and demand both power and versatility, the TDA7498E Bluetooth Amplifier Board is an absolute game-changer. It's easy to use, incredibly powerful, and built to protect your investment. Elevate your sound, unleash your creativity, and build the audio system you've always dreamed of. Don't just listen to music, experience it. Find the link in the description below to grab yours and start your ultimate audio journey today.